Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix. To know how to fix or how to solve your Netflix app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter to the window of Netflix. When you find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app or on your phone. And after that you can go to your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.